Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the Parts FPS. Today, I am going to talk about burner jet. 11 nat for Imperial part, hashtag 1274, -05 burner jet. 11 nat for Imperial part, hashtag 1274 to 5 is a natural gas burner jet, designed for use with Imperial brand gas stoves. It is a replacement part for the original burner jet that comes with the stove. The burner jet is made of brass and has an 11 millimeters diameter. It is designed to provide a steady, even flame when used with natural gas. The part number 1274-5 indicates that it is a replacement part for the original burner jet that came with the stove. This part can be used to replace worn or damaged parts in order to keep your stove functioning properly. This part fixes the following symptoms. The symptoms that this part fixes are not specified. It is likely that this part is used to replace a faulty burner jet in an Imperial stove or oven. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the gas supply to the appliance. 2. Disconnect the gas line from the existing burner jet. 3. Remove the old burner jet and discard it. 4. Install the new burner jet. 11 nat for Imperial part, hashtag 1274 in its place, making sure that it is securely tightened into place. 5. Reconnect the gas line to the new burner jet and turn on the gas supply to the appliance. 6. Test for leaks by applying a soapy water solution to all connections and looking for bubbles or other signs of a leak. If any leaks are found, tighten all connections and retest until no leaks are present. 7. Once all connections have been tested and no leaks, you can buy this part from wooparts.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on wooparts.com.